Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS 91. I am coming to you guys today in the segment of the Annie's Hook and Needle Kid Club. Okay, so if you guys remember what I showed last time was these cute little mug rugs, right? Oh my word. Okay, so let's just get right into this because this project was so freaking cute, right? And it's so amazing because I was just saying that I needed something like this because okay, so I have IKEA furniture, and if you have IKEA furniture, you know the when you have a glass of something and the condensation from the ice is sliding down on the table, and all of a sudden you get these little bubbles or little, little warps in your desk or whatever. And so this is what's been happening to me. So I'm like, oh my word. So when I saw these beautiful little things, I was like, oh, I can use this. So, you guys, in the pattern, let's just talk about it because this is the most cutest, easiest pattern. I do have to say though, as I was working it up, I was thinking of a cute little blanket that I can make because the stitch is just awesome. They're using two stitches, the double crochet and a single crochet. And if you see me looking down, you guys, I am looking at the pattern. It literally is just it's easy. And yeah, I made these in a day. I did not make all four. I only made two of them. And so let me show you my two. Here they are right here. Oh my word. Right? The cutest things ever. Okay, so here's the green one. Okay, so these are the colors I wanted, right? Okay, so these things are so cute. Just super cute. I see my light keep going in and out, but super cute. And another thing that I love about these, like you can turn it on this side and you got this pattern, and look, on this side you have more of the green. And the same is with the blue. You can turn it on this side, you have that, and you can turn it on this side. And so I was thinking of a blanket. And then I also was thinking about this would be so cute, if you go to a park or you do a picnic and these are laying out, where people can put their drinks on. I'm just like, or you can make it bigger, you know. Don't make it little, just make it bigger. Or you can make those because they do give you enough yarn to make some more. So even if you make a bigger one and you go visit someone, you got like a hot plate or some food that's warm or hot, and you can set that on the table, and then everybody's like, oh, who made that? I mean, my mind was going. But you guys, I truly um love making these. Like I said, I made them in a day. Actually less than a day. I think 30 minutes. I made both of these. So it's really cute, fast workup. And now, if you look at the pattern, see if you guys can see. If you look at the pattern, the tassels look full. Okay, so let me tell you what they did that I did not do. Okay, they actually put a border around here. A single crochet border went all the way around. Okay, so that's what they did. And then as they were going around putting the border on, they actually weaved in these ends. The ends that you see on mine is the changing of the threads. And I just left mine dangling and I just cut them. And then some of them I just, as you can see, I kind of tied it I tied two, just tied the green and the white. And I did that on both sides. And I did that in the green, the blue as well. I did not want the border, so I did not do that. But you are more than welcome to do that. It's just us, honestly, single crochet going all the way across. And as you're going across, just weaving your ends as you go. Okay? And so that's all they did. And so so that's this, right? Love, 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 love these things. You're gonna really like doing these. And I already got comments on them. Love, love, love for my family. They be trying to take my stuff. But yeah. So now let me show you what I'm gonna be making, what we're gonna be making next time. Okay, so once again, this is one of those thoughts that I had. I'm like, I would love, to make some. And oh my word, you guys, I got them in the mail. So without further ado, here we go. Look at that, you guys. Look at these baskets. Okay, so let me just take it out of the wrapper and show it to you guys, because I'm trying to tell you, look at that. This is out of the wrapper. Oh my word, you guys. Look at those colors. The colors are amazing. I love these colors. Oh my goodness. So, but what I'm going to do with mine, if I'm going to use all of my yarn, I probably make mine taller on each one. I'm going to go and use all the yarn. Well, as far as I can go, I'm going with these baskets. These are so beautiful. And man, and okay, so the yarn is like, let's get the yarn, right? The yarn is like a t-shirt yarn. And I'm so excited about this. I don't know if you see. I'm so excited about this because I never worked with this before. So this is so exciting. So we have this right here. We have this color. And they do not have what color this, the colors they are. But this looked like a rust to me. I know it's probably showing up different on the camera, but this is like a rust to me. Right? Okay, and then we have this right here, and this is the beige that we saw on the top of them, for the handles. So that's this yarn right here, excuse me. Okay. And, oh my word, look at this, you guys. Okay, so it is showing up like a green color on camera, but it is like a mustard color. It is like a mustard color. If I take it back. Yeah. Yeah, it is like a mustard color. It is so pretty. So, I can't wait. I can't wait to work these up, you guys. Oh my word. And if you guys have worked any Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club, you guys gotta tell me about it. Tell me your adventures. Tell me your ups, your downs. What are you working on in the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club right now? I want to know. I mean, come on. We are in this together, right? Okay, so we have the mustard color. Now we got one more. So our last one is this one right here. Okay, you guys. So this is showing up blue. And it's not. This is like a bluish gray, I would say. Yeah, it's like a bluish gray. It's showing up like a powder blue on camera, but it's really not. It's not that light. It's like a bluish gray color. And so that's that, you guys. I am so excited about working up these baskets because I'm trying to tell you, I'm sure we're working in the round. Yes, we're working in a round. I haven't even looked at the pattern yet. I'm too busy looking at the picture, find out the things I'm gonna do with it. So I'm excited to work these up for you guys. And so we can just talk about it, right? And before I have something else, you guys, that is near and dear to my heart. Okay, and I wanted to come on and share with you guys. Okay, so there is an organization that is called Head Huggers. I've been about 3 to 4 years. I have sent them hats. So when I'm working up something, I use my extra yarn and I create a hat. Now this organization is an organization that you can knit, crochet, you can sew hats. And what this organization do is they give them to chemo patients that have chemotherapy, people who burn wounds. You know how they have to have hats on their heads, and they do. Let me see. I wrote it down. And people who have, who have hair loss and etc. Wherever the need is, that's where they send the hats. And so I've been working with the contact person I've been working with is Sue. She is just the most precious thing. And I wanted to come on and let you guys know if you are looking to give back to somewhere, Head Huggers is a beautiful organization that helps. And if you do not mind crocheting up some hats and sending them off, I'm sure the organization, Sue, would be very appreciative. And you get this beautiful email from her telling you where your hats are going. And I love it. So I wanted to tell you guys about that. If you was, thinking about it, or just, if you want to give back, which is always so very, very important to give back when you have, a little bit more, right? Okay, you guys. So now with all that, and I'm going to link the Head Huggers in the description box. Okay. But yeah, I think that is it from me. I am so excited. You guys, I'm still thinking about those baskets. I am still thinking about those baskets. But if you like my videos, give me a big thumbs up, you guys. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell symbol. When you hit that bell symbol, it notifies you when I upload another video. Okay? And we don't want you to miss that, right? So this is it for me, you guys. It is such a pleasure to come into your lives, for you guys to listen to me talk about the thing that I love. I want to hear what you love, because I know you love crochet like me. All right, you guys. I will see you guys on the next video. And remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you on the next video. Bye.